welcome back to another video. This is Caro and Lauren, my other roommate, and I just thought I would vlog today because we're actually going to get piercings right now, and I feel like that's a good college thing. So I'm gonna vlog some new piercings, and I'll probably vlog tomorrow in a few days. So welcome to a few college days in my life, and I'll see you guys when we get there. I'm so excited, guys. I just planned on the tattoo I want, and then I'm gonna get my piercing after, and we're gonna get belly buttons pierced like in the same room.
And they have Jolly Ranchers.
You should get one. I can't get one, I'm too nervous to eat. Yeah. Wait, can you hold my hand first and then record?
Are you ready?
Yeah. That's not that bad.
Love you.
Oh, sorry. So it's been a few hours. We just got back. Here's my belly button and my tattoo. I'm so obsessed. I'm not gonna lie, belly button hurt so bad, but it's so worth it. And I almost passed out. But then we got Chick-fil-A, and yeah. You're so rude. And you forgot pictures of me. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I just got ready. I'm with Caroline and Lauren again. Yeah, it's October 1st. We have to decorate our apartment for fall. Wait, we should put that in this vlog. We should decorate our apartment for fall like tomorrow. But right now we're actually going thrifting. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I love my piercing, it's so cute. And yeah, we're gonna eat Starbucks first, I think. So I broke my nail yesterday. I'm really sad.
H3Ox.
Thank you. Sorry. Alright guys, me and Carol in the dressing room. We're trying a lot of stuff together because we're like the same size. And we have so many pants because I think the main thing we needed, because we want low-rise pants, so who's got our piercings. So let's hope these look cute. Guys, look at this mini skirt. It's so cute and shows off my belly button. I love it. Guys, this other mini skirt, it's a little big, but I'll do like a shoelace trick or something.
I feel like
Bro, look how cute these jeans are in Caroline. You look so, they fit you so perfect.
I don't know.
Why? Oh my god, these fit me literally perfect. Hey guys, good morning. It is November 16th right now, and it's like 11:30 in the morning or something. I just got ready, and by ready I mean a hoodie and sweatshirt. This vlog is really random because I vlogged like my belly button piercing and thrifting and stuff, and it really isn't enough vlog footage, so I figured I would vlog a studying day for you guys. I have a really busy week with school, so I have a lot of homework to do today, and I feel like it'd be a good productive vlog, some studying motivation. And yeah, right now me and Caroline are going to get Starbucks because that's the main thing that motivates us to do homework. Honestly, we get like way too much, but it helps us, so gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna have sausage, egg, and cheese on an English muffin.
Okay.
And then a venti iced peach green tea lemonade, please, sweetened. Alright guys, I got a venti iced peach green tea lemonade, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. Caroline got her regular iced tea. Yeah, green tea. I get a sweeter one because so good. Well, the lighting's really good right now. So we just got back and we're about to like eat and everything, but I really wanted to show you our Christmas decorations. We don't have that many, but we got a few and I think they're super cute and I'm obsessed. We all have stockings and a little cute Santa. Say hi, girl. And we have some garland and we have a little Christmas tree and a belief sign, and that's really it. And by the way, an apartment tour should be coming out in like January probably. I'm just waiting until then because I want to do an apartment tour without decorations, like holiday decorations, and also there's like a few more things we're doing, so yeah. Hey guys, so we're about to leave for Greenwise to study, and right now we're actually at our apartment for next year. We're about to take a tour and then sign the lease, and we're living with Stephanie and Gabby, and we're gonna have a house. And yeah, I'm not gonna film a tour because I don't want you guys to know where I live. Yeah, so but I'll see you guys when we're at Greenwise.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up.
Alright guys, so I just planned on my whole week for studying just because I'm kind of stressed, so this helps me a lot to pace myself and not overwhelm myself. And we ended up going to Panera because Greenwise was full. Yeah. So yeah, it's already 2:30 and I haven't started any homework, so I'm kind of stressed, but it's fine. I just made my to-do list for like 30 minutes, so I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna start studying now.
All night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject, I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma wear the through it. Calling me a boy, can we make it boy? I feel the heat like a summer solstice. Running out of words, running out of choices. I can hear the smile and the tone of voice, yeah. And it's something about that moon, make your lips taste just like June. Falling faster into you.
You got the summertime love. For your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one.
Alright guys, so it's like 6 o'clock now, so we've been studying here for a few hours and I finished notes for a chapter and now I'm doing examples, and I got schoolers. I just bought it, so whenever we leave we're gonna go pick up the packets because honestly I didn't use schoolers for the other exams and I did really bad. So yeah, I got food I forgot to show you, but I get the green tea. It's so good to me. Caroline's like it's like Capri Sun, but which I like Capri Suns.
Kiwi Capri Sun.
Honestly, it actually does, but I love Capri Sun. So, and for food I got broccoli cheddar soup always, and what sandwich did I get? Like the turkey avocado BLT. It was really good. And yeah, I'm a little unmotivated right now, so that's why I'm vlogging.
We got the hypers.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna play YouTube videos right now for a little because I need a break from homework. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
And they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
Oh baby, I can't get you off my mind. And I really like
Target vibes. This is what I came for: soup, micellar water, and body wash. The soap smells really good, by the way, guys. You should definitely get it. And now we're getting ice cream.
I know you're the one. They go and they come.